In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of Canon Ivy Mini Photo Printer 2nd generation. Let's do the unboxing. To use this printer, you just have to download the Canon Mini Print app from the App Store. So that is here, our photo printer. That's the place from where the photo comes out. This is the place to start it and charging with the USB cable, because it won't be able to work without charging. You can place your photo paper here after peeling off and then it will work. Now it comes with the Zink paper. So Zink paper is very good, like it stays over 100 years. And one USB charger. So that's everything we get with this printer. If you want to know how to set up it, you can watch my videos on that. Thanks for watching.